Apple is going mad with iPhone 15 Pro Max upgrades, and each update has repercussions. But the price of the iPhone 15 Pro Max has been released. And I have terrible news for those who are eager to purchase the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple will mass manufacture an iPhone 15 lineup in August, with the 15 Pro Max costing more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Whereas it will cost $1,099 in the United States, it will cost €1,449 on the European market, a significant increase from last year. According to the source, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have several special features that the iPhone 15 Pro will not have. Apple was a battery champion with the iPhone 14 lineup, and it seems that Apple is going large with the batteries of the iPhone 15 lineup, but they will boost battery size. The iPhone 15 will have a 3,877 mAh battery, compared to the iPhone 14's 3,279 mAh battery. And the largest update this year will be the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which will have a 4,852 mAh, compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max's 4,323 mAh. With these new figures and the power efficiency of a new CPU, no other Android smartphone can compete with the battery life of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Also, the Lightning cable will be phased out this year in favor of a USB Type-C port on the iPhone 15 lineup. If you get bigger batteries, the phones will be thicker than previous generations, and yes, Apple devices are already too heavy, so the bigger battery will just add to the weight. Did you know that Apple is releasing the iPhone 15 Pro in a new color option? Whereas it was previously reported that Apple is pursuing a new deep red color, Basil claims that this will not occur. However, a new color, a dark blue color that was already utilized in the iPhone 15 Pro prototype, has leaked online. In addition, the display of the iPhone 15 Pro Max has been updated, where we hope to see a super thin bezel to the so far and never seen before, but it is now unclear regarding the max brightness since it is already at 2000 nits, but we may hope for an update. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.